Hi, welcome to another video from technary.com where we review gadgets and softwares. Do you like over-ear headphones? If yes, then you must have a look at these headphones. We have today Adcom Shuffle to be reviewed. This is a device which is a wireless Bluetooth headphone from the company Adcom. Let us have a look at the features and our experience of this device. So this is the box of the device and we will do the unboxing of this device. So having a overhead headphones are important if you are actually working for a long time on computer or laptop. Overhead headphones are best. So we are doing the unboxing of this device. Let's see what all is inside the box. So this is a huge box from the company Adcom. So we'll open the box and see what's inside, what all accessories we get from the company Adcom if you buy the Adcom Shuffle. Okay, so there are loads of things in the box. Seems to be exciting. This is a thank you note. So on your purchase, you get 10% discount coupon off. So this is an amazing thing. So if you purchase anything from Adcom, you get 10% off thank you note. Maybe I'm a lucky one to get this. So yeah, more stuff to be seen. So I hope there is aux cable inside it, and I also see the data cable. So yes, I'm right. So this is the aux cable and data cable. This is the quick guide of how it can be used. So we will have to study it at how the device can be started, how it can be used. This is a user guide. It's a very good user guide, short and precise, not too much lengthy. So it's important to read the user guide first before operating any device. You need to read the instructions, and here are the specifications of the device. So it is using the Bluetooth version 5.0, one of the latest Bluetooth version for sure. So we will read the user guide first and then we will actually start using these headphones. See how nicely these are folded. So this is the aux cable. So you can not only use these as wireless headphones but also as a wired headphone as well using the aux cable. So those were the data cable. So now we are removing the headphones from the box. Wow, these get folded amazingly. So as you can see, we unfolded the headphones. Here is the control panel. So these are the wireless AD3028. This is the control panel. There was the aux cable slot 3.5 mm which you saw. So these headphones are having an over-ear design. So we'll talk about the aspects. So we can see the accessories in front of us. The device is having over-ear design. The headphones are lightweight and it has matte finish with self-adjusting headband. As you can see, it is self-adjusting. The ear cups are having leather padded ear cups, and the headband does provide amazing comfort for long usage. So we have used extensively. Store and is also foldable. It is having 180-degree foldable retractable system. The device when equipped gives very much comfort to your ears over an elegant and comfortable lightweight design for the shuffle. On the left ear cup there are various controls. These are power on off button, FM or MP3 mode. Though in FM mode you have to connect the given aux cable for the antenna purpose. There are buttons for previous and next tracks. There is also a large button for play or pause and also can be used to pick up calls when connected with smartphone. There is aux in slot, micro USB slot for charging and also micro SD slot for storage of music. Performance. Let's talk about the performance of the device. This headphone is using Bluetooth version 5.0 technology and helps in faster pairing with Android, iOS, and Windows devices. We have extensively used the device over a week and will share our experience with the device. As you can see, various multifunctional tactile buttons. You can use the headphone as wired headphone too. Just connect it with the aux cable and you're good to go to use it as a wired headphone. You can easily control the music playback and also answer the calls with ease. Best part is that when there is no charging left in the headphone, you can easily use the aux cable and use it as a wired headphone. There is certainly a luxury for the user in the case. There is also a built-in micro SD card support. There is also FM radio to enjoy the local radio stations on the go. Useful while traveling for sure, though you have to use the aux cable while using the FM radio feature. There are sweat proof. These are amazing, sweat proof and very much sports friendly. We used it for prolonged time and we were comfortable indeed for long runs too. We tasted it while jogging, working, traveling, and these will make you enter into a musical world altogether. The bass is strong and you won't get to hear at all from your nearby surroundings in high volume. Let's talk about the battery of the device. The battery can be charged in 2 hours. The device did provide 7 hours of playback time in 50% volume, and also you can use it as a talk time while connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth. So, what's our observation and final verdict about this device? So, if you're looking for wireless over ear headphones, that too in a very less budget, then this should be a choice. This is a value for money device which has many features, can be used as wired headphones too, which is a very big thumbs up. The device comes with 1 year of warranty. It is available in a great discount right now. So as you can see, the MRP is INR 1999, though it is available at a very good discount, more than 50% discount. Check out the link in the description below to buy this product. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel.